Good morning, friends. Now we are going to discuss about the second chapter for green computing, carbon footprint. So first of all, what is carbon footprint? The total amount of greenhouse gases produced to directly and indirectly support the human activities, usually expressed in equivalent tons of carbon dioxide, CO2. Sum of all emission of carbon dioxide for a given time frame is referred to as carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is also referred as total set of greenhouse gas emission caused by organization, even produced or present. It is an extension of economical footprint. The carbon footprint is a very powerful tool to understand the impact of personal behavior on global warming, since carbon dioxide is called greenhouse gas casual warming on. See the different form of natural resources wasted for in the energy for leaving a computer on when not in use. For in printing, suppose we have to consider the printing, unnecessary printing of emails, agendas, draft, etc. For in consider pollution, for manufacturing techniques, so packing, for etc. And electricity, chemical usage like mercury, lead, and cadmium. So these are some different form of natural resources. The underground diagram depicted the relationship between conserving energy and health of Earth. See the diagram. For reducing the energy usage, conserving the resources, reduce the risk. For based on this, saving the energy, then automatically saving the planet. So this is the concept for this carbon footprint. This is another one diagram representation for energy consumption comparison between desktop and laptop system. For see the comparison of these two, complete desktop uses 200 watt hour, but laptop 50 and 100 watts hour. Is based on 8-hour usage a day. Okay. So therefore, annual consumption for desktop system 600 kilowatt, for laptop system 150 and 300 kilowatts. For desktop system, emission for about 175 kilogram per year. Emission between the 44 and 86 kilo per year for this laptop usage. Okay. For this next green manufacturing. So based on this green manufacturing, Compo is becoming an incredibly popular manufacturing casting for computer and furniture, etc. Reusable plastics used in place of non-recycled plastic. So see the diagram for Compo products and Compo based computer components. Thank you, friends. We see the next video.